In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two calendars in Notion to create a master schedule. This process will help you unify and streamline all your various calendars like personal, work, and school into a single manageable space. So let's dive in. First, let's start by setting up a brand new master database. Begin by creating a new page in Notion and give it a suitable name. Something like Master Events works well, as it clearly represents the purpose of this database. This will be the hub where all your calendar events come together, ensuring everything is in one easy to access location. Next, it's crucial to add a key property to your database that will allow you to differentiate between your original calendars. For this, introduce a new property called type, using the select option. Creating options under this property for each of your original calendars is essential. Think of categories like personal, work, or school. This step is vital because it allows each event to be identified according to its original calendar, maintaining some of the original organizational structure within the new master calendar. Once the foundation is set with your master database, it's time to move your existing events into this unified space. You'll want to copy or directly move all the entries from your old separate calendar databases into the newly created master events database. While transferring these entries, make sure to assign the type property correctly for each event so that every entry retains information about its origin. This effort, although a bit tedious, ensures that your new system stays organized and functional. Now that you've placed all your events into the master database, it's time for customization by setting up new calendar views. For each original calendar, you will create a distinct view within the master database. Adding a view is straightforward, and Notion makes it intuitive. For example, if you want a view that only shows work-related events, you would create a work calendar view, and then apply a filter. This filter should be set to show only those entries where the type property matches work, effectively creating a segmented view within your master calendar. By following these steps, you are utilizing the full power of Notion's database functions to consolidate your numerous calendars into a single, cohesive schedule. This reorganization can significantly improve your efficiency and reduce the mental workload of managing multiple calendar applications. Remember, the key lies in meticulous entry of data and thoughtful application of filters. Once you get comfortable with this setup, you'll find your planning sessions far more streamlined and hassle-free in Notion. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!